Hello everyone, I'm here today to go over and review the hidden camera lens and IR finder. Let's go ahead and take a look at everything that it comes with first. So of course we have the camera finder itself. With a very nice sleek compact design, you can take this with you anywhere needed. Here's the USB charge cable, our manual to get it set up and going, and a little pinhole camera just for demonstration purposes. Now let's check out how to get it set up and going. We press and hold the A button, that's going to turn on our night vision detector. Essentially when the unit detects night vision, this would go solid, indicating to you that it has detected. If we press and hold our B button, that's going to turn on a solid red LED. Clicking that button is going to allow it to flash between the 3 different speed intervals. Now, after this, we are going to briefly go ahead and take a look at a couple demonstrations. So let's go ahead and check those out. So here, what you're looking for is a red flashing LED coming back at you, depending on the different intervals and speeds and distance at that point. So here's just a couple different examples to give you an idea. So this one is our night vision test. You'll notice and see that the night vision's right there, and you notice the red indicators on the left-hand side saying, hey look, there's night vision. And here's just another little demo to give you an idea. We hope this content helps, and of course, if you guys did appreciate, don't forget to like and subscribe for future review videos.